Our plan is nowhere near complete. The employees at Bit by Bit Construction want to add a road to the plan. To be able to identify which squares are roads and which are houses, they added a third parameter to the square.draw instruction. Instead of being a number like the first two parameters, this one is in regular English text. Therefore, by using the instruction square.draw 3, 1 house, we can create a house at the coordinates 3, 1. There's one very important detail. We must surround the word house with quotation marks to tell our computer that it's regular text and not an instruction. This is what it'll look like. We can switch out the word house for any other word we want. But if we write the word house without quotation marks, like so, the computer will think that we want to use an instruction called house. This will create a bug as the computer does not recognize any instruction called house. Forgetting the opening quotation mark or the closing quotation mark will also cause strange bugs. There's one more thing. Each parameter must be in the correct order. So you must put the x-coordinate first, the y-coordinate second, and the type of square third. Any other order will cause a bug. Now, let's try using some text in our program. Take a look at the code editor. The employees of Bit by Bit already specified which squares are houses. They've also started building the road. Let's add 4 more squares to this road. The first one will be at the coordinates 5, 1. Since we want it to be a road, add the word road as the third parameter. Make sure to write it exactly like the other ones in the code editor. One small mistake and the computer won't understand the parameters of the instruction. You must also make sure that there is a comma between each parameter of the square.draw instruction. Once that's done, add the other 3 road pieces at the coordinates 5, 2, 5, 3, and 5, 4, then run your code. You should see the road appear on your plan.